Today my topic is gear cutting by milling machine. So what is the gear? The gear is a moving machine part. It contains the straight or helical teeth, which is used to transmit the power from one shaft to the another shaft. So the gear is made of a cast iron, steel and plastic. The main function of the gear to reduce the velocity ratio to give the different direction of the motion. The type of the gear are here. Number one is spare gear. So spare gear is just like this gear having the straight thread propeller to the axis of the shaft. Second number is helical gear. The helical gear is just like the helical gear is having the inclined teeth with respect to the axis of the shaft. Third number is bevel gear. The bevel gear is running at a 90 degree to give the motion. Number fourth is rack and pinion. The rack and pinion means the below the diameter 100. The diameter of the gear below the 100. So it is coming the category in the pinion. So pinion means just like the for example, the carriage of the lathe machine is moving over the bed with the help of a rack and pinion. The table is moved in a drill on a column with the help of the rack and pinion. This is worm and worm wheel. The worm and worm wheel is reduce the motion. This is a spare gear. The outer diameter of the gear is portion is called the addendum. The internal portion is called the dedendum circle. And this is the pitch. Pitch is equal to pitch means the distance between two threads is called the pitch. The pitch is equal to 1 by number of teeth per unit length. This is the pitch circle diameter. This is the PCD. This is a flank. The face of this teeth is called a flank. The involute. When a roller is moved on a other body to trace a curve. This curve is called the involute. Involute. This is the detail of this teeth. The teeth, this is the thickness of the teeth. This arc is called the epicycloid. This arc is called the hypocycloid. This portion is called the addendum. This portion is called the dedendum. When a gear to give the motion to the another gear, so this is the tangentially. This is a tangentially give the motion. Some force is applied at this point. This point is called the pressure point. The pressure here, the pressure, this is a pressure angle. The 15 to 20 pressure angle will be, you will be take 15 to 20 degree pressure angle. So this how to cut the gear. The gear is cut on a horizontal milling machine. This is the front view of a horizontal milling machine. The horizontal milling machine is consists of a different parts. This is a base, columns, feed table, feed rod, handle, arbor supporter, overhead, milling cutter, indexing plate, dividing head. And the table is moved up and down with the help of this handle. These are the part of a horizontal milling machine. So how to cut the gear on a milling machine? This is a indexing plate are used to cut the gear. This is a indexing plate. So how to work the indexing plate? The indexing plate are three types. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So number 1, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 15 means this is the holes. One row. So one row have the 15 holes. This is the one row or 15 holes. This second row 16 holes. Third row 17 or fourth 18 or fifth 19 or sixth is 20 holes. This is a row or this is a holes. The indexing plate. How to use the indexing plate? For example, this is a gear. The gear is having the number of teeth 24. The required moment is equal to 14 upon n. 14 is constant, n means number of thread. So put the value of here 14 upon 24, 40, 46, 25, 23, 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3 means 1, 2, 2 upon 3. So this is a numerator, this is a denominator. Numerator is multiply 5 and denominator is also multiply 5. So 110 by 15. So 1 is complete revolution. So 1 is complete revolution and 15 holes. This is a 15 hole. This is a lever. This is a lever. The lever is here to complete the 1 revolution in 15 holes. In 15 holes means 1 row. So 10 holes. So to this lever is insert the 10 hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this lever is insert in a 20 holes to cut the gear, to maintain this distance. This distance is called the pitch. So this type of the formula are used to cut the different type of the gear. So different type of the gear are cut on a horizontal machine like a spare gear, helical gear or bevel gears. So different type of the gears are used as a to their applications. I hope that you will like my lecture. Thank you very much.